Okay.
Hello everyone.
Hello. It's our last day here, and we
We're-
enjoyed here.
We're in the Singapore Shanghai Hotel.
Yes.
Hotel, yeah. Oh my god. I meant the airport.
Yes, the
And
Changi
it
Airport.
was too amazing.
It was amazing here. We had fun.
Oh.
Had a lot of fun.
The last 5 days has been a great experience for all of us. You know what? Just make a funny face. That's simple.
When I swear, make
Funny face.
No,
Funny shoe.
no need.
It's recording.
Okay. Okay, we do. Okay, we
Hazza
had
curse.
fun.
Hazza very bad.
Yes.
Also me.
Yes.
Yes.
Not
We enjoyed here. We had a lot of fun. Again,
And the game was
yes.
exciting.
And stay tuned for the French vlog. But unfortunately, there's no.
There might be 2 vlogs.
Yes.
One for the football team and one for France.
Yes.
Yeah.
Stay
Spoiler
tuned.
alert.
Yeah. Be
See you
patient, please.
See you back in Fujairah.
Yeah.
Also,
Bye.
Bye.